Alright, the next box I have is also a medium flat rate box. It's just in a different, it's just made different. You know, they've got two different kinds, which I'm glad, because, you know, I can't send out 12 by 12 in those little paper things. It costs too much to mail. And if any of you guys have any suggestions as to how to mail a 12 by 12 paper stack by itself without it costing so much, let me know. The other medium flat rate box, you know, I can put papers in that. But, I mean, I wouldn't pay that much unless you had a bunch of other stuff in there like I've done. So, but anyway, this is the other box. So, I put a lot of stuff in here, too. Alright, we have a notepad. Brand new. I've got some laces in here. All different kind. Different colors. Sorry for the glare. I got some, these are flat back pearls. This one, I think there's a yard in there. It's pink. And these are full bead, but they're all together. And I'm not sure how big it is, but that's that. And then I also put some of these little, I can't think of the name of these things. But I put some clear little ones in there, and I put these blue ones. I like using these on layouts, like if there's a beach scene or something, put a bunch of them, so you know, just for the water, because these, you can't really tell it in this bag and on the camera, but these beads are really pretty. And also I had some clear ones, bigger ones too, so they're in there. I got some, just some regular ribbon you can use to wrap gifts. Here is a, I think this is a balsam wood box, balsam box, that you can, you know, do. I also have some of these in this box as well. Just a bunch of different kind of clips here. Not paper clips. I still haven't thought of the name of these darn things. I've got two of these, a pink and a green. I don't know how much is on there. I don't know, but there you go. Alright, we have stickers. We have American, it's a patriotic. Oops. I have some ephemera. I've used some of these. I actually put a piece of washi here because it wouldn't, I've used it, you know, in and out a bunch. And that's the thing about these. If you're in and out of them, unless you put it in something else, it's not going to stick anymore. And that's what happened to that. But there's a bunch of them. There's like butterfly, all kind of butterflies and stuff in there. I'm not going to take them out, but there's a bunch of stuff in here. But I'll let you look at that for a second. Alright. Got some cards and these things. Some more on the back. I've used some of these obviously. And here's a title for a layout, Lucky. And I've got some stickers here. Home is where the heart is. And here's one that's got a wine bottle. And here are some vellum stickers. These are tags. And these are clouds. These are more tags, but these are colored. And these are cute little panda bears. I thought I would use these, but I just couldn't think of how I wanted to use them, so I'm giving them up. They're really, really cute. here's this sticker. These are just regular stickers. Here is some Dazzles, and these are Aqua Lily. Sorry for the glare. It's hard to see these because it's silver. Can you see anything on that? Okay. Then I have a embossing folder in here. It's the one Cuttlebug typeset. It's got all these letters in different kind of fonts and stuff. Hope you can see that. I have to explain that one. I got some craft sticks in here, so y'all can make some projects. I got some more of these clothespins. There we go. It was on here. These though are already decorated. You can do other stuff with, but they're navy and white. I think that's navy color. Got two sides. Let's see. Here's some more embossing folders. I'll just let you look at what they are. It's the big one, and then there's three smaller ones. So you can see. All right. Here's a stamp. A Whiff of Joy stamp. It's really, really cute. And I'm not sure if I've used her. I cut her out. I may have used her once, if at all. Real cute. Here's some stickers here, some peekers. I don't know if you can see some of this stuff. There we go. Here are some ice skates, some hockey skates. Here are some crayons. And more crayons. And some books and apples with a little bling in the middle. Here's some more of the Dazzles. I have to put these together when I put them back in the box. But there's four here, two different categories. They're the same sticker, but they're just one's in gold and one's in silver. And they're not the high shiny kind. It's just the kind of the dullish. But this one is the birthday. See if you can see that. So it's in this gold and then in silver too. And then this one has flowers. Okay. And here are some puffy stickers. It's just little flourishes. And here are some brads. Okay, here's a die. It's a Dynamics die. That's what it looks like. Here's the die. It's pretty big. That's what it does. Here's another stamp. It's a Crafter's Companion sealed with a kiss stamp. You have to put the little cushy things on the bottom, and I haven't cut it out or anything, but it's a little note just for you. Isn't that cute? Here's another Whiff of Joy. It's a little boy sitting down. Well, he doesn't have stuff on the back either. Here's another stamp set for baby Heidi Grace. Okay, and then I've got two paper, did I have another paper thing? Well, here's a paper. This one's a matte stack of Birthday Extravaganza. It's got glitter on it. I think I've used a few papers in here, but it's like, see how thick it is. It's like you got plenty there. Oh my gosh, this is really hard. It's really thick paper, so it's kind of hard to show you the paper. Some of them's got glitter and some of them don't. That's a pretty page. Cupcakes, polka dots. That. Okay. And then this one is Fancy Pants, called Flutter. It's new. I haven't even opened it. But here's what the papers look like. Okay. And then I'm sending you this little pack of Simplicity good gosh. Trying to think of the darn name. Pattern. I believe all of the patterns in there, if you actually want to make any of these little things. But the purpose of me sending this is that the way I use them, and a lot of other people, crafters that use them, they take the pattern and wrap things with them. Like if you have a gift for somebody, you can wrap it in this paper instead of like tissue paper, which this is actually is tissue paper. But you wrap it in this, and because it's just sort of it's a crafty thing. But like I said, you could use it for the actual thing if you want. I don't know if all of the stuff's in there. It feels like it is because it's really thick, but I have a little note on it just letting you know that's how I was sending it, but you can use it the way you want to. Whew, and I think my battery's fixing to go out, but you know what? I didn't even do a price for this thing. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, this is going to be $30 shipped, and I may try to put some more stuff in here if I can find some, but $30 shipped, US shipping only, PayPal, friends and family, and just let me know if you'd like this lot. Thanks guys, bye.